is GDP and why is it regularly monitored and regarded as a valuable economic indicator for stock investors? In this episode, I will examine the concept and provide some useful insight on the subject matter. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe. Thanks. What is GDP? It is the total market value of all finished goods and services produced within a country in a specific period. And again, because GDP is a metric used to measure the overall domestic production of a nation, hence it is always used as a scorecard to determine country economic health performance. According to my recent research and economic report, it is very important to bring to your attention that GDP is often grouped into two categories. We have the nominal GDP and the real GDP. While the nominal GDP evaluates the current market price without factoring in inflation or deflation, it monitors the gradual increase of an economic value over time. However, contrary to nominal, real GDP factors in inflation. In effect, it accounts for the overall price levels, and economists often prefer the real GDP as a reliable metric to compare a country's economic growth rate. And this metric helps the economist to evaluate and project whether there is any growth between one year and the next. There are three ways you can calculate GDP. However, in this video, I will examine the most simplified way of doing it. C plus G plus I plus NX equals GDP. C equals consumption, G government spending, I investment, NX net export. To be more specific, consumption is consumer spending, things like your car repairs, your daily grocery, electronics, and household equipment. Government spending is the money the council and the Westminster spend on projects like hospital, schools, rail network, etc. Investment measure how much money is spent on businesses to keep it up and running, like machinery and equipment. Net export. This metric is very crucial because it is a country export minus import. A country is said to have negative net export if and when she buys more products than she ships out to other countries, and positive net export if it exports more products to other nations. For instance, UK import 30 million worth of fresh vegetable, 2 million worth of fresh onions, dried fish and preserved vegetable worth 50 million from India to United Kingdom every year, while India has maintained a trade surplus with United Kingdom, with total export at 9.78 billion US dollar, while the total import from UK is at 7.05 billion in 2018. Meaning the total net worth of UK export product to India is negative. So, why is GDP a valuable economic indicator for stock investors? Economists evaluate and use the positive GDP growth between different periods, usually annually, to determine the performance of an economy. And a negative GDP growth, as mentioned earlier in this video, is an earlier indicator that the economy is about to go into recession. As an intelligent investor, it is very imperative to pay attention to the GDP growth. The GDP is an effective investment strategy that could be employed to measure a country's economic growth in the previous quarter. I mean, how economic growth and production have impacted your stock investment in the past. Why? Because a significant percentage change in GDP, either down or up, could have greater impact on the stock market. If it is negative, it means a bad economy or lower earnings for companies, and this could lead to reduction in stock prices. In my opinion, GDP will help you as a stock investor to put all stocks investing decisions into perspective. Now, here comes the best part. Please subscribe, like, and comment below. The goal is to generate wealth, build companies, and create jobs. Bye now. See you soon.